Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Last time I showed you how we can grab a text in a image and how can we move it around, how can we move it away or just deleting or changing anything on it. But now I will show you another application inside the Canva where you can grab anything else, but actually also good for grabbing a text. So this application called Magic Grab. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as I mentioned, like here, this is just a image from the Canva gallery. So I just removed those blocks from here, as you can see. And actually how I did it. So I just increasing the size a bit, selecting the image, go into the edit. And here in the Magic Studio, instead of the grab text, I will use the Magic Grab. And here I also have two options, the click and the brush. With the click, we can click items that the Canva or the AI is recognizing. Like now, you can just remove the kid if you want, but now, I will try to do this. And just click on grab, and let's see what will happen here. I don't know what will happen with the pen, what he's holding on his hand. I'm not sure that will be removed. Yeah. So it's very not perfect. So the AI actually removed the pen from his hand. So just let's do it again. I'm going to the edit, Magic Grab. I just would like to play with the blocks. That's not working perfectly with a bit more sophisticated items or items together. As you can see, now these blocks are removed as a picked. Very nicely. I can change the size a bit if I want, or just moving a bit further and changing the size here. Also, if you want, we can go to the duotone, changing the color of the blocks. This one too, like a bit green. As you can see, and easily change the color of the item, which is also a pretty cool effect. And if I want to change back, it's also possible. Going to the edit, go to adjust, and here we can also just change the saturation, moving down, or it just would have to change the red color. Here I just changed the red to blue and also the green to red. Like this. So that's with this application, we can not only remove one item if we don't want, but we can resize, we can move it a bit further, or if we needed another part of the image, or we just adjust the settings, and in this case only the original item will be changed. So I do not even need to resize it or move it or something. I just change the settings on that picture. That's also a pretty cool feature. As you can see, originally was this red bricks with this, in this case, the green rooftop. Now it changed to red rooftop, but with the blue bricks. So I really like this functionality of this magic grab application, not only to removing the unwanted items. In this case, we also can moving it, changing it, and that's give us a more possibility to doing what we want. But now this tutorial also going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comments if you struggling anything on Canva or any other AI stuff, and visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of other tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image generation prompts for different applications. If you are also interested on this area, please take a minute to visit my Facebook page. Also, you can find a description. You can find the link in the description. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.